Spiel Part 3, describing your skills, so that you can make an amazing resume. All right, so take a look at this. So this was Terry's resume before he had my class, and it says objective to gain a job in retail. And so then over here, the new better version would be a position in retail where excellent customer service, retail leadership, and business computer skills would be needed. So basically, your job is to create an objective that not only says what job you want, but also brags about what skills you can give to your employer. Instead of saying handled money, demonstrated people skills, cooked, cleaned, trained people, you expand with served as lead staff up to 7. You have numbers, work directly with manager, so you just expand upon what you did. Okay, so this is the idea of why yesterday we did learn to list experience, and then today we're going to learn to list skills, so that you can get a nice resume that has some detail in it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to brainstorm about your skills. All right, so activities reveal characteristics. So yesterday you talked about things you've done, activities and jobs. Okay, so for example, sports means you may have meet leadership, you're competitive, you're a team player, you meet schedules, and so on and so forth. If you're into theater and public speaking, you're good communication skills, your ability to work with the public, so on and so forth. All right, so by already listing your courses, activities, honors, and jobs yesterday, so yesterday we did experiences, so that's going to help us to identify your skills. So everything you have done, not only do you do something, but you've gained some sort of skill. That's why we did it in this particular order. Okay? Okay, by the way, as we're doing this, I want no weak sauce bullets. It's your turn to brag. Okay, so word them so that there are no I statements. Even though a resume is all about you, you can't use the word I. Okay, we're going to use the AAA, BBB, who CCC, and DDD format. You might be saying to yourself, what? Okay, what that means is you use an adjective, a subject who does this and that. So, for example, a dedicated engineer who solves problems to exceed customer expectations. Okay, this is what I want your bullet points to look like, not this. Okay, oop, went one too far. Okay, I don't want it to look like this. I want it to look like this, so we're going to do everything in the AAA, BBB, who CCC, and DDD format. So you're going to say a dedicated student who accomplishes his goals on time and above expectations. Does that make sense? That's the format we're going to use. If you don't get it, you're going to have to ask me. Here's examples. You can look at these of the AAA, BBB, CCC, who DDD formats. Okay? So those are examples. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're going to do to get started is you're going to go to the web page. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the web page, and from my web page you're going to open up this document. Okay, learn to list skills. Okay, and you're going to go File, and you're going to make a copy, and then you're going to go File, move to Folder, and you're going to move it into your folder, your Google Drive, and move it into your resume folder. Okay, so you have this thing, and make a copy and move it to your resume folder. Okay. All right, and so once you do this, once you have that, we're going to start. We'll continue on. Okay, so the first thing it talks about is soft skills. Okay, so soft skills make up who you are and how you deal with situations. You need to know that. But soft skills are like the kind of person you are and how you deal with situations. Okay, adaptive skills are things like enthusiasm, honesty, maturity, strength, stamina, fast learner, sincerity. Okay, transferable skills are general skills that can be used in any job. So every employer wants these transferable skills. To finish on time, work well with others, dependability, flexibility, multitask, okay, blah, blah, blah. So these are skills that you have. Okay, so write all these down that apply to you, leave out the I statements, and make sure you also use the AAA, BBB, who CCC, and DDD format. Okay, so these are all going to write these in bullet point format. So answer these questions. What is your name? What are some soft skills? Everybody has some. What are your adaptive skills? Everybody has some. What are your transferable skills? Everybody has them. So start writing these things down. Okay, use bullet points and make them as long and nice as possible. All right, list your skills. Wait, did we skip something? Technical skills. Technical skills are what you can do with the machine, computer, or other device. Can you ride a bicycle? Can you jump a bicycle? Can you weld? Okay, can you type? How many words per minute? Okay, can you use Photoshop? Can you use Illustrator? Can you use Windows 7? We do it in here every day. Can you use Google Docs? Yes, we do that all the time. So anything. So write down anything you can do. Can you fix a car? Can you fix a bicycle? Can you mow the lawn? What are your technical skills? Can you repair a lawnmower? All right. So go to your document and you're going to answer those questions right here. Okay. Technical skills all go right here. Make sure you're not using the word I, and make sure you make them nice and long. A, B, 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 who's C, 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 and D, D, D. Okay. What do you say about yourself? Skills most sought after by employees. Okay. So let's keep going on to the next thing. So now the next one you can pretty much figure out on your own. Okay. So how include skills you used on the job. Any job or volunteer work you've ever done. What skills did you use? Did you show up on time? Did you learn how to use a weed eater? Did you learn how to wash dishes? Did you learn how to serve people? Did you learn customer service skills? Did you learn how to work with money? Have you learned any skills through classes, internships, or jobs? Any other skills? Have you gained any skills through extracurricular activities? Have you gained any skills through work? Okay, so fill all these out the best you can. Have you learned these skills through hobbies? If you've built model airplanes, you've learned how to use electronics. You've learned how to, anyway. Have you list your computer and technology related skills? Right. I know I've taught you a little bit, so put some stuff there. Any other skills? Are you friendly, nice, a good leader, a good dancer? List 3 things that would make you a good employee. Okay. All right. Now check this out. Part 2, skills most sought after by employees. For the following skills, choose 3 and then write your own sample. So for example, what you're going to do is you're going to copy 3 of these that fit you. You're going to paste them here. You're going to reword them, and then you're going to delete the rest. Now, if there's 5 or 10 that fit you, great, use them. Okay, but copy them from here, right here. Copy these, paste them here, reword them, and then just delete the ones that you don't need because these, the ones that are left over don't apply to you. Okay. Okay. Next, I want you to do personal values most sought after by employees. Same thing. Find the bullet points that fit you. Copy them and paste them here. Reword them, and then delete the rest. You have to do at least 3. You can do more than 3. Okay. And then after that, save it and go on to the next section. Okay. Save it, share it, and go to the next section. I think. Let's go back to the PowerPoint. All right, quiz. Answer these questions. Answer these questions and then you are done. Answer these questions and then you're done.